we're going to learn today be able to, and what exactly this phrase be able to means. Let's discuss in detail. So, be able to has a similar meaning to can or could in the past. I am not able to move my leg. This means I can't move my leg. However, can is mainly used to express capabilities or aptitudes acquired by time, while be able to refers to temporary or precise abilities or inabilities of someone. He can't swim, he has never learned how. So, what exactly is the difference between be able to and can? Mainly, the difference is that can, when we use, shows the ability, but does not show any time frame. If I say he can't swim, that means he does not have the ability or capability of swimming. But when I say he's not able to swim, this shows that for the temporary period, or maybe for that particular period, due to some reasons, he's not able to swim. But it doesn't mean that he has no ability or he cannot swim. So, for some particular time period or for some temporary time, if something is not possible for someone to do, so we use be able to. For example, if you're calling me and I am hell busy with some work, and if I'm not picking your call, so I can text you that I am not able to receive your call right now. So this means that temporary, this is not possible for me to do that, right? But it doesn't mean that it is for permanent. All right. So the Urdu identification of be able to is sakta, sakti, sakte. It is same like can we use. Now let's take the examples and the structure of this. As I told you that whenever I use be in the heading, this means that this is be verb and be verbs are is, am, are, was, were. So in place of this be, you can use is, am, are, was, were, and in some cases will be. All right, here subject is, am, are in the present, was, were in the past, will be in the future, and then able to, then first form of the verb and object. For example, I am not able to move my leg. I am not able to move my leg. This means for the temporary time, with this particular time, I'm not able to move. Maybe I have some problem. I got it injured or something like that. Number two, he is not able to receive your call right now. He's not able to receive your call right now means that at this moment, he is not able to receive the call. Now, example number three is, are you able to? So when you have to make the question, so you have to bring the helping verb at the beginning, right? Are you able to drop me to my college? Now you're asking someone whether it is possible for someone to drop you at that moment, at that particular time. So number four is, she was not able to attend your party due to her exams. So it was not possible for her to attend the party because she was having her exams. Number five is, you will be able to speak English fluently after some months. This means you're telling someone that he or she will be having the ability of speaking English in the future. That will be possible for him, but not now in the future, or somebody will have the capability of doing something in the future. So when we use will be, this means that you are showing the ability or capability of someone in the future, not now. Right. So example number six is, I am able to swim across the river. I am able to swim across the river means that you have the ability or capability of swimming across the river. Number seven is, will you be able to explain me some mathematical exercises? Will you be able to explain me some mathematical exercises means that is that possible for you right now? I mean, that Maybe you're not busy at the moment, and is that possible for you to explain the mathematical exercises? This means you're asking someone that will he be or she be able, or will he or she be having time to explain you some mathematical exercises. All right, so example number 8 is she is not able to cope with stress. This means she cannot she cannot control, she cannot she cannot tackle with her stress. So she does not have the capability, or she does not have the ability to cope with the stress. You'll be able to make your own sentences now. So if you have any question, you can drop your comment in the comment section. I'm going to get you back and answer your comments.